So here's a question that I'm very often asked, and that is, should I or should I not do variance? Now, before I answer this question, let's first understand what variants are and why do we have them to begin with. A variant is basically a different question paper for the same subject. Now, here's what that looks like. On the question paper, as it is with every subject, you first have the syllabus scored, then you have the paper, and right after that, the number that you have represents the variant. So here, 12 basically means paper 1, variant 2. Now, Cambridge is an international organization, which means that it conducts exams all around the world. And because of different time zones, it's very difficult to make sure that everyone appears for the same subject at the exact same time. So that means if it's 8 a.m. in Pakistan, it's 3 a.m. in the UK. Now, you're probably thinking, what's wrong with that? Well, what's wrong with that is that means students who are done with the exam early can simply go online or reach out to their internet friends and tell them exactly what came in the exam, giving them an unfair advantage. That's kind of like leaking the paper. Now, there are a total of 6 different administrative zones, and there are a total of 3 different question papers, or as we call it, 3 different variants, which it says on their website is designed to make sure countries in similar time zones have their candidates under exam or supervisory conditions at the same time to maintain the security of the question paper content. And that is how you cannot cheat in the exam. I mean, if you think about it, you still can, but please don't. There are plenty of videos on my channel, and there are plenty of other channels also to help you get your desired grade. And if you're watching this video now, somewhere around November, that means there's still plenty of time to prepare, and inshallah is your upcoming exam. Now, coming back to the original question, and that is, should you do variants? So if you ask me, my answer is a definite yes, you should do them. It's extra practice material, and there's only good that can happen from extra practice. Now, you might have heard people say that variants are difficult, variants other than our variant, which is variant 2, by the way, if you're watching this in Pakistan. If you ask me, I don't think any of that is true. In fact, every paper has a threshold of its own, which takes into account the difficulty level of the paper. So what you can do is, you can solve a full-length question paper, doesn't matter what variant it is, and once you've solved it, you can look up the threshold, which you'll find very easily online, and then see what grade it is you're ending up with. So if the paper is difficult, naturally you will end up with a higher grade after the threshold has been applied. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this video clears all the myths surrounding variance, and I hope this answers your question also. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and do share this video with your friends, classmates, or whoever you think is still confused or has no clue about what variants are. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.